Today I'm reviewing Myngyo Gallery's Fluorescent Oil Pastels. Hi, I'm Syndia. If you like oil pastels, you're at the right place. I made a bunch of oil pastel videos. Here's a playlist if you're curious. Talking about being curious, when I saw this fluorescent set, I was very curious to try them. I don't think it's something that I would use every day, but I thought it was kind of like a nice to have in my collection because there's nothing like it. I've never seen another brand coming out with fluorescent oil pastels. Correct me if I'm wrong. I didn't have any high expectations for them, but the set of 12 was $5, so I thought I would try them. Okay, so in swatching them, I quickly realized that the pigment payoff wasn't extraordinary, and I was kind of expecting that for some reason. Having said that, the fluorescent payoff, on the other hand, is very impressive. As I was saying, there's 12 shades in this set. Not all of them are super fluorescent. So 7 are mega extra blinding fluorescent, and the rest are not so much. The less fluorescent are the dark greens, the purple and the blue, and I wouldn't really expect them to be either. But the yellows and the greens are blinding. One of the coral pink is crazy fluorescent as well. It's not even explainable to you. It's just so bright. The texture of these are kind of like very slippy and silicone-y and kind of translucid, the way cheaper oil pastels would be. But they're still very workable, and I think they would really be workable in a work of art combined with other more quality oil pastels. I could see myself putting a pop of fluorescent yellow in a composition just to give like a big impact of color. I tried layering them and mixing them together with a regular white, which went very well, but when I tried mixing and layering the fluorescent colors on top of each other, that's where things didn't work so well. There was a lot of patchiness. I personally think it's a super nice to have. I'm glad I have them. I hope I can kind of work them into a drawing at some point. And like I said, they're so inexpensive. I think it's worth it. If you have drawing ideas for these, let me know down below. I'm curious. And if you want more inspiration, watch this next. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you.